Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear brothers and sisters, I'm Zubair Ahmad, your lecturer at Najah. Every day, our eyes witness beauty. A beautiful home, a successful person, a smiling child, a blessing in someone's life, or even something good in our own life. Islam teaches us the first response of the heart matters. That's why Quran teaches us to say, Ma sha Allah. La Quwwata illa Billah. This is the will of Allah. There is no strength except with Allah. It is mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf, Surah number 18 and verse number 39. Why this dua is so powerful? This dua does more than express amazement. It protects the heart from envy. It shields the blessings from the evil eye. It builds humility instead of pride. It reminds us that all success comes from Allah. It turns admiration into remembrance. Instead of comparing, Islam teaches us to remember the giver of blessings. Here is a deep Quranic lesson. This praise comes from the story in Surah Al-Kahf, where a man was reminded not to admire beauty, wealth, without acknowledging Allah. Because when blessings are attributed to oneself, they become fragile. But when blessings are attributed to Allah, they become protected and increased. When should we say this dua? When you see something beautiful, when someone shares good news, when you admire success or achievement, when you notice blessings in your own life. Say it sincerely. Ma sha Allah, la quwwata illa billah. Let your tongue train your heart. Ask yourself, when I see good in others, do I compare, envy, or complain? Or do I remember Allah? This dua cleans the heart quietly, without anyone noticing. Everything we admire today exists only by Allah's permission. And everything we have can remain only by Allah's protection. So let your response to beauty be gratitude. Your response to success be humility, and your response to blessings be remembrance. May Allah protect our heart from jealousy, preserve our blessings, and make us among those who remember Him in the moments of ease as well as hardship. Ameen. Jazakallah khairah for watching and listening. Ma salama.